We have Christina, and about a month ago she came into us. She had a bone-on-bone knee. She had degenerative disc disease in her back. You had epidurals that did not help your back.
Twice.
Yeah, and then did you try the shot in your knee too, cortisone?
Oh no. My previous surgery they did two or
Oh, the
three.
meniscus repair.
That was ACL.
Yeah, but it didn't really help.
No,
Huh? Yeah.
no.
And then do they want to replace the knee now?
No, yes.
Okay, so instead of the replacement, we tried the laser stem cell signaling. So 1 month later, how's your back? How's your knee?
It's like 50% better.
Already?
I don't have my knee brace
Wow.
on, so occasionally it flares up, but a lot better. I used to cry every single day, and I'm fed up. I said my pain is too much.
And how's the
I
back?
could cry right now because I feel better.
Can you show me how you could stand up more easier and walk better? Are you walking more now?
Yes.
Wow, that's great.
And
And,
straighter and
Yeah, not as much knock knee,
no.
because I'm learning you're in the wedges, right? I gave you. And how's your
Oh,
back?
I don't have that.
Okay, we're gonna give it today. How's your
Okay.
back pain doing?
It's better too.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. All right. Well, it's only been a month. You're already 50% better. Remember, I told you, you expect about 10% improvement a month. You're already 5 months ahead. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What did your orthopedic doctor say when you said your knee's getting better?
I'm gonna discharge you, and if.
And you don't
you're
need
not
the
gonna-
replacement anymore.
I said I don't wanna have surgery.
Yeah.
My neighbor's nephew, he had to do another total knee.
Because
So
it got
he asked for
infected?
your
Did it get
phone number.
infected or just didn't work?
Didn't work.
Yeah.
Just so much pain.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, looks like you don't need it either. Need it
I
again.
hope-
Yeah.
I hope not.
Congratulations.
Thank you.